I can tell you that we actually had COVID come into our building and we had to close for several weeks. And we expanded. We had our highest ever month being closed. The month of, I believe it was June, we closed for 2.5 weeks and we broke our income record that month.
What you guys do at Attention Grabbing Media, which is a great name, by the way. And I know you sort of started similarly how I did, just as a consultant, a small team. Now you've got, over 50 people and growing and obviously really doing some great work for your customers.
Question, are you 100% virtual for Tier 11?
We are, yeah.
You are, right? I started like that. In all honesty, I have 68 staff as of today, as of this recording, and always looking for more and adding more staff because it's like you were saying on the intro, right now, this is such a hot commodity, digital marketing and understanding these platforms. And I'm seeing all these companies trying to pivot and shift over their energy towards this new world. And we have been positioned in this world for quite a while, Ralph, you longer than me. And I guess we got lucky, right? There's a quote from Seneca that I use a lot on seminars and webinars that he says, what does it mean to get lucky? It's preparation meets opportunity. In a way, we have gotten really lucky because I know I can tell you that I have people every single day trying to figure out themselves, how can they take a part in this world? Even though people like you, people like Amanda, digital marketer, like all of us have been preaching for so long about, hey, jump on the social media opportunity. Hey, there's an opportunity. It's a wave. Why don't you ride it? It's going to pass you by. Don't be one of those guys that are saying, I wish I would have jumped on the YouTube wave. Don't be one of those guys. Right? So I've been talking about this for a long time. And right now, COVID-19 has presented an acceleration that we knew was going to happen. In 10 years on the line, maybe, we were going to be online first, eventually online only. This just has been massively accelerated. So in our world, our commodity, which is digital marketing knowledge, intellectual property, has become that much more valuable. But I started my agency. It was all me. And then I had 2 partners and then we started building all of it with remote workers. So it was all 100% virtual, except my partners that were with me. And I started building a team afterwards. So I have 68, I have 21 local. And the reason why I started building a team, I guess it's twofold. One, I have a business called Natural Slim, which this is the biggest client for my agency, and it has been for years. I happen to own Natural Slim. I own AGM. So I have the best of both worlds. It's fun to do it like that. So we have, Natural Slim has a building. So we have taken over and shared the building with them. I call it taking over because we eventually added more staff than them here locally in the office over here. And also because I really enjoy, I'm a very social person and I enjoy just hanging out with my guys and my team and it's fun and I enjoy the energy and the activity. But I can tell you that we actually had COVID come into our building and we had to close for several weeks and we expanded. We had our highest ever month being closed. The month of, I believe it was June, we closed for 2.5 weeks and we broke our income record that month. So I'm not keeping a local office because it's better. I think it's something that I just enjoy building that culture locally, but we can build 100% and we'll be just fine. And that's the opportunity that we have today. And that's what we have at AGM Marketing. So we service all kinds of businesses. I service e-commerce brands and people that need leads and softwares and services and personal brands and digital products, et cetera. And that's what I do every day. But it wasn't always like that. Maybe like you, Ralph, I don't have a marketing certificate hanging on the wall. I created my own path with training and studying and implementation along the way. That's for sure.